So you loosen up the, don't let your hands off the nut, just hold it and turn it. And then you'll slide your hand off to the side. Now Nick, the bucket's not lined up correct.
Yeah, it is.
Because it's going to pour out at an angle. No, it's going to go out forward.
Right here?
Yeah, there you go. Alright, and then you'll slide your hand out of the way. Now put it on a rag like I showed you. There you go.
It's like a giant urine.
Okay, well see how it's pouring out, how it's kind of pushing beyond the what you think would just, if it were just coming straight down. Now when that gets heavy, then move it off to the side. Okay.
Just wait. Whoa.
So move it out of the bucket and off on the side on the rag that I gave you. See? Now, so now we just let it drain, okay? Good job. Now that is going to be heavy. So it's going to be full of oil. And just remember, you'll have to twist. Yeah, use that hand. Use your right-handed. So use your right hand. Okay, it's getting ready to come off. Use your right hand. Now use your right hand. There you go. Good job.
Got it.
All right, just let it sit there.
Just put it in?
Yeah, that's fine. Just let it sit in there.
Got it.
That's gonna have to drip for a while. All
I want
right.
to see what's under there.
Well, let's not get our hair. So now go grab the new filter.
I'm gonna wipe. I'm gonna be able to see.
Did you put a nice coat on the seal? Let me see it. Let me just look.
I'll do one more coat of oil. Right.
Yep, around the, okay. Now go ahead and then you put it up
White
there.
rag again.
Dad, would Nick need another container like this?
Oh, you'll have to ask him.
Or should I just keep it out for him? Where should I keep it for him?
It should go on real easy. If it's going on hard, that means it's cross-threaded, okay? That looks like it's on good.
Should I tighten it up just
Tighten it up. Use your hand strength and tighten it real hard.
All right.
That looks good. Good job.